this video, I am once again going to attempt to get my life back together before I go back to school in July after graduating this June. So, and siguro bang pangalawa or pangatlong attempt ko na to this summer na gawin to. Pero, as long as I am alive, I can begin again. I can try again. Kaya, ayun, itatry ko ulit. I want to build discipline. I want to build healthy habits for the upcoming semester. Kaya gusto kong simulan na ngayon. And, ayun, we're going to attempt it ulit for the rest of the days before magpasokan. Kaya, come with me as I try to do that. So, ngayon, it's nighttime na. It's 10:30 ng June 26. And I have less than a month kasi ang pasokan namin is July 23. Kaya, onti na lang talaga yung araw to build whatever I'm trying to build. And for tonight, I'm going to get off my social media muna para makatulog ako ng maaga. Maayos na yung aking body clock. Kaya, ayun.
And someone took her.
Fine. Text me the address.
It is currently, I just finished journalings or like mini journaling, ganun. So, our prompt today was, bed rotting and doom scrolling are the most expensive habits a high-achieving woman can have. So, napili ko yun kasi quarter 2 is almost done. I want to share a goal na sinet ko when quarter 2 started, and that is to avoid doom scrolling. So, ang action steps ko na sinabi ay be more intentional with what media I want to consume. So, dito nakapaloob na magko-consume lang ako ng media na gusto ko talaga and can help me. Yung mga media na ayoko talaga masyadong kino-consume is yung short form. Pero because my brain is wired na gustuhin yun, kasi nga, syempre yung attention span ko and all is broken. And I wasn't very good at that this quarter. I wanted to also discover hobbies, analog ones. So, yun yung mga hindi ko kailangan ng any device, ganun. Pero, ayun, I also failed at that. Nakalagay dito na no installing of SOCMED in phone. Sa iPad lang dapat. Pero, again, I failed at that. Going back to what I wrote, ayun nga, nag-set ako ng ganung goal. Pero, nag-fail ako this quarter 2. And quarter 2 is almost over. Pero, that's a goal that I want to retry na i-achieve for this quarter. Kasi I know to myself that I have so much dreams that I want to achieve. And just because I failed ngayong quarter 2, it doesn't mean that I am a failure. Kasi as I've stated nga sa start ng video na to is that as long as I am alive, I can begin again. So, naglagay lang din ako ng Smisky na sticker dito. And then, nilagay ko, no to this. Ganyan. Kasi nga, ayoko nang masyadong mag-better at I want to be productive even if it is a restful productivity. I don't want to feel like I am wasting time. Okay, so I will be going out today with my friends and kasama si Ryan. Magsasamgyup kami. So, maghahanda na ako ng gamit ko ngayon before I take a shower and then head out. I want to show you what goes in my bag for like a normal day out. This is the bag that I am going to use. This is from Parisian, tama ba? Oh no, sa Kasana pala. I bought this online. First na ilalagay ko dito is yung payong ko kasi it's a bit gloomy outside. I'm not sure lang, baka maabutan kami ng ulan at some point ng gala namin. And then, I have my power bank. Ito yung 20,000 mAh na Ugreen power bank. Sa Shopee ko lang yun nabili. And then, I have my wallet. This is from Thailand. Galing sa tita ko to. And I also have my wipes and my tissue. This wipes and tissue, lagi kong ginagamit. Ito yung from Watsons kasi super cheap niya lang and ang dami na. And then, I also have these accessories for my DJI, yung camera na gamit ko ngayon. So, nandito yung mga cord, mga lagayan niya, ganyan. So, ito yung accessories. And then, ito yung case mismo ng ginagamit kong case ng camera mismo. So, actually, nagagamit to nung mic. Ito, gamit kong mic. This is my alcohol. Isasabit ko siya. Here. Never dapat mawala ang alcohol sa akin kasi si Rai Rai, mahilig siya sa alcohol and maliit lang yung alcohol spray bottle niya. Kaya lagi ako nagdadala ng malaki kasi syempre malay mo maubos niya throughout the day or kaya minsan nakakalimutan niyang i-refill kaya nadadala niya ng walang laman. Yun ang laman ng aking bag. Baka daw po ikakat. Dumating yung orders. Ito yung yoga mat. Tapos ito yung kay Beben. Wow! Ito muna. In-orderan ko si Beben ng poop bag.
Dami. Okay.
Siyang pakay. Umorder ako ng yoga mat because, syempre, pang yoga, ano pa. It's purple too, of course. Here it is. Ang problem ko lang dito, wala siyang tali. Pero okay lang naman. Dito ko lang naman sa bahay gamitin. Yun lang. Oh. Wow.
Wow.
So, yun lang. I'll see you guys later, probably pag nasa Samgyup na kami. Asus! Papalambing siya kasi merong dentistics yung daddy niya. Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa cafe malapit sa bahay nila Yayay. Kasi yung pagsasamgyupan namin katabi lang. Ayan lang siya. Dito lang muna kami kasi inaantay pa namin yung iba naming friends. This is what we ordered. Ayan, fish and chips.
Walking na daw si Ivan.
Hmm? Ano? Mama at ate ni Ivan. Aga ng adventure ngayon So, fail dun sa una naming pinuntahan kasi wala raw silang beef and hindi ko makain ng pork si Yayay. So, hahanap kami ng bagong place. Kinuha lang ni Ivan yung motor niya. Mga aso nila, Ivan. Yun, mga mama goats. Ito na yung samgyup namin, guys. Di na natuloy yung samgyup namin. Only samgyup. Kasi walang beef. May shortage ng beef sa Taytay. So, bumili na lang kami dito sa Korean Mart.
Bakit? We'll do it ourselves.
Ay, lagay ko dito, tabab. Hi! Ito ang aming at-home samgyup. I'm home now. I'm not quite sure kung ano yung last na clip, pero that's definitely while I was outside pa with friends. So now I am home na and it is 12:44 a.m. of June 28. Medyo na-late ako ng uwi than I intended to. So now, I am all ready for bed. I tidied up the room. I put away my stuff that I brought kanina sa hangout, and then I also took a shower. I'm pretty much done for the night and ready for bed. It feels so good. It feels so nice. Kanina actually, dinadebate ko pa sa sarili ko if maliligo pa ba ako for tonight kasi I felt a little tired. Pero I pushed through and said na I will do it kasi I know that if I do it now, I will feel so much better later. I feel so much better now than I felt earlier. And I am going to sleep with a very good feeling.
How exactly do you plan on keeping her distracted?
It's a hand of glory. Make sure he gives us the information we need. It's a circuit that runs when you're not focused on a specific task. In a healthy brain, it cycles in and out, but in a stuck brain, it gets stuck on. It runs on its own steam. Way out.
Eh di lalagyan mo na siya dyan. Masira yun.
Camera ko yan.
Pag ginagamot yun.
Ganda ka! Ala, tinago sa ilalim!